What's your perfect morning bite?
I had a panini at a small Italian cafe with my friends Simone and Ruben. It was so good, I had to try making my own version at home.
Panini simply means sandwiches in Italian, but the way they're grilled, pressed, and layered makes them something special. It's casual, comforting, and somehow still feels a little elegant. Let's get started. Cut your ciabatta or companion in half. Then drizzle a bit of olive oil on the outside. Layer tomato, fresh basil, mozzarella, then prosciutto. Finish with prosciutto for shine and flavor. Add black pepper and top with the other slice. Add olive oil to the grill pan and cook the sandwich until it's crispy with a nice char. Press grilling makes it better texture. Once the cheese has melted and the sandwich has a nice char, it's ready. Slice it up and top with some fresh basil. It's the kind of breakfast that makes you feel ready. Just the right amount. Rich, balanced. It may be one wine, not coffee. Mornings like this don't need much. Just a sandwich that hits the spot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy your meal.